This might be the weirdest gaming monitor ASUS has ever made, but once you see what it actually does, it starts making sense. Meet the ASUS ROG XG129C. It's not your main gaming monitor, it's the sidekick your setup never knew it needed. Instead of a normal screen, ASUS designed a 12.3-inch ultra-wide touchscreen with a unique 24:9 aspect ratio, giving you more usable space for Discord, OBS controls, Twitch chat, hardware monitoring, or even YouTube while you game. It features a 10-point touchscreen, a 75Hz IPS display, 125% sRGB, and 90% DCI-P3 color coverage, plus USB-C with video, power, and touch support through a single cable. It even includes a 1-year AIDA64 Extreme subscription, so you can monitor CPU and GPU temperatures in real time. The adjustable kickstand slides neatly under your main monitor, and there's even a tripod mount if you want a custom setup. So, is it worth it? If you're expecting a primary gaming monitor, probably not. But if you're a streamer, content creator, or someone who loves a clean dual-screen setup, this tiny display could seriously upgrade your desk. Would you actually add this to your setup, or is it just an expensive gadget? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.